Guys, we have one of the first generation Hellcats on the lift. This is a 2015 unique setup. What happened today was the customer came in, and this is actually his son's car. He is only 15. Jay, turn the camera around, please. Purchased this car for his son that's 15 years old. He just has to wait a year, and then he's gonna have this Hellcat over 700 horsepower. It's kind of sick. I think he got good grades, or it's just a big celebration. But let me show you the setup, guys. Right here, vibrant bullets right in the center. Great way to go because this reduces the drone and you still get that aggression. I'm telling you. Look at these nice clean welds. If you guys aren't in South Florida and can't pull up to Gexhaust in South Florida, you have to go to a qualified exhaust shop. Don't go to fucking just some Joe Schmo that's like, hey, what do you want? Fucking disgusting welds, all that. Pay attention when he's doing the work, because if it isn't good, it'll bite you in the ass in the future, I'm telling you. All right, let's move to the back over here. Remove the rear mufflers. They're right on the floor right here, guys. Check this out. These are the rear mufflers, stock tips attached. These are the mid mufflers. Those are really restricting. That's why they pull up to Gexhaust to get that sound, that aggressive. And of course, the vibrant bullets do their thing and make it sound clean, but not too raspy or too much sound inside. Over here, we have the 4-inch tips, quad Gexhaust carbon fiber. He went with red. We also offer several colors, all available at Gexhaust.com. But this is great because it matches the entire color scheme of the car. The thing is clean. These guys kept it really, really nice since 2015. The largest we suggest over here to fill out that cutout is 4.5, but the 4-inch is the way to go, all right? So this is a little aftermarket diffuser that he threw on there. We're gonna bring it down and fire it up, guys. Again, we have the vibrant bullets in the center. We have the rear muffler delete and the quad 4-inch tips right in the back. This entire setup, guys, is available at Gexhaust.com. If you're in the area, though, South Florida, pull up. We have 2 locations, Oakland Park and Davie, Florida. Come say what's up. We love seeing our subscribers. We love seeing all of our followers. So drop a comment below how it sounds and let me know. In addition to the supercharged Hemi, guys, I just popped open the hood. I want to show you guys something. This is the stock intake. He's getting rid of that. Already on the way is a limited edition AFE red intake. These are limited availability because they're so exclusive. They look sick. You're gonna upgrade your performance, upgrade your sound, and it's gonna look so slick. It's available at Gexhaust.com, guys, or again, pull up to the shop at any moment. But we're gonna let you guys hear this. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know about the entire car, all right? Again, this thing is clean, 2015, it looks sick. Look at all the decals. He kept it clean, he kept it clean. This kid's 15 years old. How fortunate is he? He must have done really well in school, or just be an overall good kid, you know what I mean? Good kid. You're a good kid. Here's a fucking Hellcat.